Hello my Saab friends, today is going to be somewhat interesting. Here I have my 2008 Saab 9.3 Aero with the sat-nav unit I installed that never came with the vehicle. Originally it had this Saab 9.3 Saab specific map disc, and there's the part number, and I believe it's from, 2005, so it's heavily outdated. Now if you've watched any of my previous videos, at least as of recently, I did show how to install this sat-nav unit, and it's really not too difficult, but I kind of took it a step further, and here I have a GM disc, believe it or not, and it's showing version 6.3, so it's around the same time frame as this one, 2005 to 2008. So I did switch to a GM style disc to get away from the Saab one that I could not update. Well, unfortunately, this one is not updated either. So let me actually show you the specific disc I'm running as of currently. And here it is. And what I'm actually going to be using is this disc right here, and this is version 14.3, part number right there, and this is a 2016 map update, so it's not a long-term solution, but it's one that's going to work for me for now. And without further ado, let's pop this baby open and give it a whirl. So I think it did what it needed to do. Let's go ahead and check the version. There you have it. Version 14.3. GM disc number right there. Not the most up-to-date thing. It is from 2016, but it's a lot more recent than this one or this one. So if you're curious about how I ended up getting a GM disc to work in my Saab sat-nav, be sure to click up here. I got some pretty cool videos that show you installation of this, as well as how I got a GM disc in here. So this video is short, sweet, hopefully straight to the point, and yeah, I'm super excited to actually have a more recent up-to-date map system here. And well, unfortunately, here in North America, it's near impossible to get anything remotely close to 2016. So I ended up switching to the GM style disc for much cheaper, and here you can see, somewhat up to date.
The route guidance will start now. In a quarter of a mile, right turn.
If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, be sure to drop a comment down below, and I'll do the best I can to answer that question. As always, be sure to subscribe. I have plenty of other content out there, especially Saab stuff. So like always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.
I've been told that you can be the mold of what you want to be, so stay true to me.